The following is a playful way of exploring a partner-supported backbend, both in downward dog and handstand. Staying grounded through your feet, keeping the power in your legs, place the base of your heart to their sacrum. Curl back, drinking a full breath in. To come a little further into the backbend, curl up into your spine like you're doing a cat pose. Create space between your vertebrae and recline a little further down the backs of the legs. Reach out fully through the arms and grip the shins. Draw power into your arms, and in one leap, inhale, curl back into Uttanasana and standing. Transition. The following pose requires that your partner kick up into a handstand. You may have to bend your knees in order to optimally catch their feet. Use your hands and forearms to protect your head from the potential kick. Find the optimal fit between your spines. Keep a good grip on their ankles. Begin in Ardha Uttanasana, half forward bend. Progressively lower further down. To come up, let them slide down your back as they rise onto their feet. Namaste.